Well, we have reached the point when I don't know what to do next. There's so much parts that need to be done, and I don't know what to start with. So I started with the rear lead. Behind me you see a door. I dragged it there the day before and pulled my hip, so the lead was a safer choice. I'm struggling with the trim clips and I still haven't figured them out. It seems so easy, yet nothing is working. So I need to clean the window sealing leftovers and grind the rust and paint off of it. I started off with good old hammer and screwdriver and it worked, but then I got to know that there is a special tool for it. I tried to be funny and do like a makeup tutorial show off for the tool. Anyway, cuts like a hot knife through butter. For the part where I didn't want to ruin the paint, I used this rubber disc, which is for removing a glue remnants or tape. You know what? I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but I need to get this off to put the glass back in, so I don't see a better way. Now it was time to bring the metal out. I used the Roloc machine, which is now probably my new favorite tool. I am gonna show you in this video the difference with some of the sanding disc for this machine. I think I had some hardstyle going on here. You know what? There's no right or wrong. This is what I learned also while doing the Corrado. I got a bunch of advices and all of them are welcomed, of course, but most of them work. So you just pick the right for you, what tools you have, what work do you want to do, and whoa, the light is. So everything is fixable. You can't do really wrong, and just get the experience and have fun while doing it. The next day I got smarter. They gave me a disc cutter with a lamellar disc, so it really got the rust off of it. And then with the roll-up tool I got the other sanding disc, which was also removing rust very well. And then I sanded the surface more even for priming. To make my life easier later on, I grinded some more paint off of the tricky parts. That's why you see so much metal surface. I have different sanding discs here. Let's see how they will react to the metal and rust. You can see which is for removing rust and which is just for removing paint or putty. I can't do it. So we are gonna put the whole bottom of the car basically new. We have this panel here and the bottom one as well, and we have this little panel as well. And then there's much welding to be done in here. Oh, scary. In here, a little happy face. If the mood is getting down. This seems bad. This has also a hole. And I don't know what's underneath it. There's a little work. If I ignite some spark in you to try for yourself some things, even the easiest things, then one part of the mission is complete. The other part is getting this on the road, and maybe some more cars, who knows, and Corrado also, and maybe this too. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. No. mille ma oleks pidanud võtma?